You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that too many people get wrong. So stay tuned to the channel to support and learn more. Alyse. Alyse is how it's generally pronounced. Alyse. Some might say it as Alyse as well. If you are an Alyse or Alyse, let us know in the comments how you pronounce it, how you like it pronounced. Alyse is, I think, the most common pronunciations. Now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.